Hey, welcome to Christopher Quest. Today is launch day. It's gonna be beautiful out, probably a high around 80 degrees. We're gonna be getting the Lily Bella in the water and the 12-foot Saturn. I'll start by putting the Saturn in. She is all ready to go. Works really well to roll her off the little flatbed trailer. And the Lily Bella is ready to pull down the road too. I just have to disconnect the electricity. Okay, we'll see you on the water.
It's alright, it's okay. Chris is traveling today.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's alright, it's okay. Across the country.
A lot of cars lined up today on this piece of ground between the bridges. There's a bridge and this piece of land here with parking, so people will stop and watch the sunset. Beautiful sunset tonight. It is the first night of this adventure. We are solo on this adventure. We've got the Lily Bella and the 12-foot Saturn ready for action. Just put the boats in today. Watching the sunset. Expecting a big west wind, so that's why that's west, obviously. And there's this big landmass here between the bridges that I'm hoping gives me some nice calm water, even though we have some pretty healthy west wind coming. Well, it's a little windier than I expected, so I think I'm going to check on the anchor. Everything's doing fine inside the Lily Bella. Let's go take a look. Okay. Everything up here looks just fine. At about 60 feet of road out, 30 feet of chain, 30 feet of rope. It's in pretty good shape. All right, it's the first day of our little stay on the Sound, first morning. Put the boats in yesterday. I think I'm gonna cook a little breakfast. Should be good. We're gonna make some home fries. Maybe put some onions in there. We're gonna cut up these little potatoes that are already cooked, but I just gotta cut them up, get them cooking, and a couple eggs. You know, standard boat breakfast. Got some little mini potatoes we're gonna cut up. Got some chopped up onions to put in there. We're gonna use coconut oil. I've also got some ham I might put in there as well. As usual, I've got lots of ventilation. Super important to have plenty of ventilation whenever you're using one of these stoves inside. Oh boy. Looks like I'm cooking for two. These wet ones that are like antibacterial, I use them to wipe everything off. So I'll take my knife and wipe it off really good with that one of these antibacterial wipes. Alright, let's add some onions. And some ham. Home fries are starting to look good. Yes, sir. And there you have it. Oh yeah, boat breakfast. This morning we're going to buzz over on the other side, on the north side of the Sound, and check out a couple of anchorages, because Wednesday night is supposed to be just a howler, not like rain, but I think it's a cold front, and it's going to be very windy, like 30-mile-an-hour winds plus. So and take the little dinghy and just kind of check out a couple places across the way. That white post right there, this is a designated anchorage right over here, real close to the SCW though. All right, another night on the Lily Bella. Sun just went down. We're moving the boat in the morning. Got a couple burgers. Just put on the grill. Gonna be a nice evening. Check out the moon. Oh, it was a beautiful day. Didn't get a whole lot accomplished, but I did enjoy it just the same. Hanging on the boat, Monday Night Football. Checking out a anchorage for tomorrow. Cooking burgers outside, waiting for the burger. That looks really good. It's early morning. Let's take a look out. The sun hasn't come up yet, but it's about to. A little bit choppy, but it's gonna, wind's gonna change and lighten up here. Making some Java. I love this instant Keurig. Doesn't use too much power. Maybe cook some breakfast here in just a minute. Everything's good on the Lily Bella here this morning. Got to get some coffee. Check this out. Sun's coming up. Whoa, check out that sunrise. Another boat breakfast. Another morning, and we're on the move again. Gonna have big wind tonight, so we're going to a more protected for east wind, northeast wind. It's gonna be nice, gonna be good. All right, I got the anchor out. I'm liking where we are. We've got a big east wind coming the next few days and a big northeast wind coming tonight, like midnight. I got probably 70 feet of road out and 6 feet of water. So I think we're fine. 10-to-1 scope, I think should be good here. It's not that heavy a boat. Always put a pin when I anchor. Keep track of where how I'm moving, make sure we're not dragging, that kind of thing. We are in a restricted area, which means that at any time the Air Force guys want to stop and ask me for ID, they can. No problem. I don't care. Never happened yet. It also is an area where they can tell you can't anchor if there's a risk to any of the air bases, like if we're in a war, something like that. So I'm not too concerned at this moment. Anyway, that's where we are. Everything's looking good. I'm feeling good. The wind's blowing from the east, and because I've now moved to this big giant wind block here, or I guess a wave block more than wind block, still get the wind. Where it's just smooth as could be. Fantastic. Getting ready for lunch. And you know, burgers on the grill just, I don't know what, they're so freaking good on the boat. It's just crazy. Oh yeah, there we have it. Oh my God, it's gonna be good. In just a few minutes, we're gonna take the small boat, go over and check the water clarity over at the bridge. From there, we'll be able to tell if the water clarity at the two little, they're inland reefs, man-made reefs that are just down the way a little bit. So if the water clarity at the bridge is good, then we know that the little reefs is good too. The difference being that you could shoot fish if you wanted to, legal fish, at the bridge, but you can't do that at the man-made reefs. Those are protected. So the man-made reefs are just for looking and for fun. And the bridge, I'm going to see if I see any sheep's head. That is my target fish, the sheep's head. Love to have a few of those in the freezer. I'd like to have one for dinner. We'll just have to take a look and see what it looks like. Pretty shallow right over here. Coming through that little channel. Let's see what we got over here. How shallow and how clear. Feet, I'd say. Not really that great. Not really that great. Four feet, I'd say, clearance, water clarity. It's a beautiful evening here in the Santa Rosa Sound. Sun's going down. It's been a beautiful day. Hardly a cloud in the sky. Expecting a really nice day tomorrow. Gonna get an early start. Tonight I'm gonna try something new with some chicken. It's the only excitement for the evening. Put the bimini up, put it away, and just put out one solar panel. We're expecting a pretty healthy wind tonight from the east. So, smartest thing to do whenever there's talk of high winds, I always put the bimini down. It just makes things a lot easier and don't have to worry about it being destroyed. Tonight I've got some chicken defrosting. It's still, it's almost defrosted now. I was going to make some chicken burgers, so I kind of flattened out a couple of chicken breasts, but then I decided that, you know what would be good? I've got some flour and some really fine cracker meal, so I think I might make some chicken fried chicken, kind of. Got an egg, do it in coconut oil. Hanging out over here watching some football. Getting really good reception from Pensacola, so that's nice. Everything's running good. Got the Blue Eddy, the AC 200 Max. It's kicking butt. The Lily Bella is stocked up and ready for action. Everything's running good. And this chicken should be really good tonight. All right, here we go. A little bit of flour, egg, boy. Oh boy. And cracker meal. And some hot grease. Love using paper products. I can just throw this all away. Again, I'm handling raw chicken and stuff. I like to use these antibacterial wipes. The Lysol ones are probably better, but I've got these, so I use them for just because raw chicken, you gotta be careful. So only where it might have touched. We're gonna wipe off. Look good here. Think it's ready? That hurt. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Someone say chicken fried chicken. That looks pretty good. Looking pretty good. I think this with just some hot sauce. And that's plenty of food. Oh yeah. It's like one breast.